A world without condensed matters. What would happen if there were no more condensed matter on Earth? Could the Earth disappear? Could we continue to survive? Let's start by explaining what condensed matter is. Condensed matter is the physical state of matter in which atoms, molecules, or ions are in close proximity to each other and are strongly interacting. This state of matter encompasses solids and liquids, which are distinct from gases in that their constituent particles are in close proximity to each other and have relatively strong interactions. It also includes complex materials such as polymers, liquid crystals, and biological systems. The study of condensed matter physics involves investigating the properties of these materials, such as crystal structure, phase transitions, electronic properties, and more, in order to understand how they behave at the macroscopic level. This shows us that condensed matter is everywhere and it surrounds us. Condensed matter is essential to life on Earth, and its absence would be disastrous for all living things. The great bulk of the physical universe as we know it is made up of condensed matter, which includes the solid ground beneath our feet, the liquids we drink, and the gases we breathe. The Earth would be a very different place without it. Here are a few instances of how the world would change if condensed matter didn't exist. Firstly, no more solid ground. There wouldn't be any more solid ground and the Earth's surface would be formed entirely of gases and liquids if condensed matter didn't exist. Because of this, no life would be able to exist on land. The atmosphere, which is primarily composed of gases like oxygen and nitrogen, would also no longer exist. Any organism would be unable to survive without a protective suit as a result. Secondly, no more water. A type of condensed matter is water in its liquid state. It is fundamental to the survival of all living things and influences the temperature of the planet. Life as we know it would not be possible without it. Thirdly, no more stars and galaxies. Most of the stuff in the cosmos is in a condensed state, even beyond the Earth. Without it, the cosmos would be a vast void devoid of any stars, galaxies, or other celestial objects. Fourthly, no more oceans. The oceans would also vanish without condensed matter, which would have a tremendous effect on the temperature of the Earth. The oceans serve as a heat sink, absorbing solar heat and regulating global temperatures. Without them, temperature variations and extremes would be much greater. Fifthly, no more mountains. Mountains made of solid rock would likewise vanish, radically altering the topology of the planet. The Earth's surface would be significantly flatter if there were no mountains since there would be no more valleys or canyons. Sixthly, an unstable environment. The absence of solid objects would mean that the planet would not have a stable environment. The Earth's crust would be missing, and this would affect the rotation of the planet and the way it orbits around the Sun. Seventhly, no gravity. The force of gravity that holds everything in place is the result of the mass of solid objects. Without solid objects, gravity would not exist, and everything would be in a state of constant motion. And to finish, no more mineral resources. Mineral resources including metals, oil, coal, and natural gas wouldn't exist without condensed matter. With materials for building, generating energy, moving people, and many more uses, these resources are essential for modern society. Since condensed matter makes up the great majority of the physical world around us, it is difficult to envisage a world without it. Life as we know it would not be conceivable without condensed matter, and the universe would be very different. Thanks for watching.